something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No.
Good morning. It is the start of the Disney vlogs because today is the 17th of February 2022 and is the first day of our Disney holiday. So if you've been watching, you'll know I do the 5k a day for the whole of 2022. So I'm just about to go and do my last 5k in the UK before I start running in America, and I'm a little bit excited, as you can imagine. So I'll see you after my run. Right, that's the 5k run done. I suppose nothing left for it but to have a shower and get ready to go to Disney. Right, I think we're all packed, nearly finished. Little bit excited. Just starting to go around the house, turn all the plugs and stuff off. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited?
Very excited. So excited I could pee my pants.
And how excited are you? How excited are you?
Nelly excitedness.
You two, are you excited?
Let's stay home.
Merlin, are you excited? No, he's not excited. Nellie's not excited.
Yeah.
See you in a bit. So here's all the cases, all packed up. There's a couple there.
Disney.
There's some here.
Yay, Disney.
There's a mummy. In the last case there.
Disney.
Where are you going?
Nelly's going to Disney. Yeah, I'm going to Disney, Daddy.
And I have got the appropriate Disney top on.
I don't know.
The garage, well, the gym rather. That garage.
I haven't got.
The gym looks a little bit packed at the moment. Mason, you're disgusting.
Whoa, I went, oh! It came
Right,
out.
see you in a minute.
So. Here we are at Heathrow, Terminal 5, ready for our flight. We are extremely early. We like being early though.
We are early, always early.
Mason's plane is, what are you playing?
Nothing.
Find Freddy or something. Okay, here's a quick look at the beautiful Terminal 5. Next stop is the bag drop.
It's like underground. It's picking up speed now. Woo! It's like being on a Disney ride already. That's she. I just got frisked.
Oh, what if it just snaps?
Well,
anyone get searched?
no, there was loads of names down of people that they'd searched.
What's it funny? She came running over.
Yeah, because it's security, isn't it? Right. On then, mate.
We're already here.
Yeah.
You made it past everywhere else.
Yeah. There it is.
Why do we have to have this like big tube?
to come out to the
I'm not going to come for the passport. You got my passport in your hand.
you don't you just need the
We're going down. It's going down. I can't smile.
We are here. It is 23:14 UK time. Been up since 4 AM. We've probably got another 3 hours or 4 hours. Got the fountains.
Orlando.
And we got the new Disney wall that changes all the time. Put your sunnies on. Mason's got some designer mirrors, sunglasses. Very cool.
Flippers.
Transportation. We only just made it. Our driver was a bit gas heavy, wasn't he? All the other cars were braking and he was still speeding up. I was like, oh my god, I've got all the way here, I'm going to die. I'm near shopping. Yeah, I'll get one in a minute, mate. Right, I'm going to get checked in. We're knackered. So we are in the 90 section. And we've got the pool over there. We've got the computer pool right by us. We're a little away from reception, but we don't mind that.
Century. And
here we are.
Got a little fridge.
We got a little fridge. And there, coffee machine with 50th anniversary coffee. You're coming home with me. Got Disney TV on. So we've got the beds, and then we've got the pull-out beds. I forget what you call them now.
It's a Murphy bed.
Oh, that's it, a Murphy bed. Nice Mickey above there.
That's your bed there, mate. That's called a Murphy bed.
Hanging room.
And then there's a massive table.
Oh, where's the light? Is it in here? I think it's in here. Oh my god, that light's really bad when I'm this tired. Oh my god. So we've got a single vanity unit, ironing board. Oh, we've got a nice walk-in shower with the H2O products.
Sink, faucet, urinal.
This light is very bright. Loads of storage in here. Loads of storage. What's under here? Oh, the safe. An in-room safe. Spare pillow. Spare pillow. So.
Put it back. I want to film it. Wait, where's my phone?
It's in the bathroom.
Let's wait for vlogger extraordinaire. Right, you ready?
Ready?
Yep.
Go!
This is my bed, guys. Good bed.
It's enormous, look.
Oh, idiots, I get this bed. It's
Gets
very
it all
cozy.
to himself. Oh my god,
It's
look.
so cozy.
I hope it doesn't flip up in the night.
Where's Mason?
Where's Mason gone?
In the pub.
Here we are then, room 8263. And we are at the Hip Hop Hotel of Pop Century number 8. And over the road there we've got a giant Rubik's Cube. Behind those trees is the pool.
That's another Rubik's Cube over there. Day 1 technically, we had a travel day yesterday. This is the first day of arrivals. And this is the view. Temperatures today are expected to be 30 degrees, so it's going to be pretty warm. So I'm dressed appropriately. We're off to the Skyliner in a minute, which I'm really looking forward to because it wasn't here last time we came. So I think the next time we're going to see you is on the Skyliner. There's the Skyliner. There it is, coming out the station. Don't have to go fast, doesn't it, when it comes out?
Yeah. It's like a little. It's like it's rocking. It's rocking.
Well, it's really quick, isn't it? With the people getting on.
Please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you. Para su seguridad, por favor, permanezcan sentados. Supervisen a sus niños y
Party of 3, please watch your step.
Thank you. Go on. Hey, we're in! We're in the Skyliner!
That's why there's no line, because they're
Woohoo!
craft.
Yes.
We're in.
So they,
Here we are.
yeah,
Oh, it's
so
quite
we all
reflective, isn't it?
Yeah, isn't it?
Think, mate.
When it takes off.
We're going to get ready because it's going to whoosh now. Ready?
Nolan wore got a Bauer hockey mask today for you, Billy.
Ready.
Oh, nice.
Steady.
Go.
Woo!
That's pretty cool.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Yeah. I see the echo.
Did you see it?
Oh. Over there, right? The other direction.
Where? Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, there it is.
I see it.
And there we are. We are at Epcot. The Skyliner lands you in France, in Epcot, which is cool. So, what are we doing next, Mummy?
We need to make a visit into guest services first.
Okay, so I'm going to do as I'm told and follow to guest services. And then we're going to see what's around. Pick up some rides somewhere. In the meantime, let's have a look at there they are, look.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now.